Concerning a projectile in free fall, the only thing that's going to affect the projectile's motion is the downward acceleration of gravity. Speaking of gravity, the hypothesis of this experiment states that the experimental gravity agrees with the Houston standard of 979.5 centimeters per second squared with a 0.1% uncertainty, at least amongst the experimental combined uncertainties.
The equipment that we used for this lab is a projectile spring launcher, a table, a video camera, a meter stick, a clear plastic protractor, a software consisting of Tracker, Excel, and video processing. The launcher throws a small plastic ball. The biggest part of this is the fact that we used a cell phone video camera, which is what I'm using to record myself right now, and the same thing that I used to record everything else in this video.
Is it right or left? What? Oh, got it.
Oh yeah.
JK.
Should we probably go over there or
So you end up with that.
I'm doing math.
Correct. So
how about multiplying something? Yeah. Oh, God.
no.
My friend. What?
We have it here.
Conclusions. Does your experiment value agree with the standard value in the Houston area? Clearly state or justify whether the comparison is agreement, weak agreement, or disagreement. Our value that we calculated for the Houston area was actually just outside of the uncertainty, margin of error. But I would say we were in weak agreement because we had gotten the same value, just maybe a hundredth off. Identify any systematic errors you think may affect your analysis. Discuss as specifically as possible how such errors might affect your value of gravity. Things that could have affected our values for experimental gravity could have been small errors in measuring the height and weight of things. That could have been a contributing factor to the fact that we were just barely out of the uncertainty. Another factor that could have played a part in our miscalculation is the fact that we were using a tracker program rather than calculating the whole thing through. If we would have calculated the whole thing through rather than calculating some of it and then using the tracker program, we probably could have gotten a more accurate value. To recap, I would definitely say that our project was a definite success. Thank you for watching our lab report. Have a good day.